Okay, video number 10. Number 10 is a congratulations video. You followed my instructions from the introduction to the steps. You got the free software, which was Groove. You found out how to get your affiliate mark. I showed you how to make your affiliate link sexy. Everybody loves a sexy link. And then I showed you how to promote. I showed you why you should promote Groove. It's the #1, hands down, the best digital marketing software on the market. So you've got the free software, you've got the free affiliate link, you can promote for free, you can make money for free online. I've delivered exactly what I said I would deliver. So you have no excuses. The only thing that's holding you back is taking action. I make no money from what I've shown you. I've made no money from signing you up to this software. I make no money from showing you how to generate your affiliate link. I make no money. This is me helping you. This is me doing you and everybody a favor. Everybody now has the opportunity to make money online for free. So this is video number 10. It's a congratulations video. Well done if you took action. If you didn't take action, then you're only you're losing out. So have a wonderful morning. It's a bit rainy here in Thailand today, but hey, every day's a good day if you take action. Take care of my Facebook. Take care of my YouTube friends. Goodbye. Hey, here's my friend. He's in the video. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. He's saying good morning. So yeah, have a wonderful day and just take action. Imperfect action is better than no action. Have a great day.